How to change the name of a specific window on Google Chrome. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the name of a window on Google Chrome. So first thing we do is we go to Google Chrome. Now if you want to change this name here, you have just to go to the top corner right here on those three dots and then go to more tools and choose name window. Now let's type how to media and click OK, and as you can see now the name it will be changed after seconds. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.